Hello everyone, welcome to my beauty channel. CATRICE Cosmetics just launched a brand new foundation and everyone is going crazy about it. It's called True Skin Hydrating Foundation. This packaging is so beautiful and there's just something magical about cosmetics in glass packaging. But with any further ado, stay tuned for the tutorial. I'm amazed by this coverage and shade of this foundation. It feels so light and natural on my skin. I think I found my new favorite. This is a hydrating foundation with a medium to high buildable coverage. The vegan formula with hyaluronic acid and lemon seed oil provides intensive moisture. There is 6 shades available in stores and a further 15 shades available online. So every skin type is sure to find its perfect match. With my foundation done, I will add bronzer to contour my nose, cheeks and forehead. Then blusher to add color to my face. Always add a highlighter on your cupid's bow, bridge and tip of your nose and your cheekbones. To complete this look, I will add a lippy from CATRICE. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Until next time.